Okay, so here are my materials. I have my lemon, rubberized wire, steel wool, zinc nails, and copper clips. So I'm gonna start by putting the zinc nails into the lemon, 6 of them. That's 6. And then I'm gonna take my copper clips Mom. Okay, I'm gonna, no. I'm now gonna cut the wire.
Sorry.
Can you do it?
Try.
I have to need 6 of them.
6 of them that are this length?
Yep.
Ay, ay. Stop the video.
So I changed to these copper nails instead of the clips, so it looks like this now.
All right, that's that one.
Looks
And then
like this so
I think you needed wires to come off of them to go to the other thing, right? So let's just do this.
Are you videoing?
Yes. Do I have to go to the last copper? Oh. So now I'm going to explain the science behind this. So I want to start by giving some background information on batteries, and then I'll then apply it to this experiment. So batteries are essentially containers that store chemical energy and then convert it to electrical energy through a reaction, an electrochemical reaction. The reaction occurs between 2 pieces of metal, and these pieces are called electrodes, and then a liquid or an electrolyte. The electrodes are made up of 2 different types of materials, to ensure that one will react differently than the other with the electrolyte or the liquid. So the difference between those reactions is what generates the electricity. So when the two electrodes are connected with a material that can transport electricity well, called a conductor, the chemical reactions will fire up and the battery will then generate electricity. So in this experiment specifically, the zinc nails, or the zinc, and the copper clips, or copper, are the electrodes. And the lemon juice inside of the lemon is the liquid that is the electrolyte. Lemon juice contains citric acid, and as we know, acids are electrolytes that especially do well in batteries. So by connecting the zinc and copper electrodes by using a wire, that then completes an electrical circuit where we loop through the zinc and the wire and the electrolyte and then back to, or the zinc, the copper, lemon juice, back and forth. So essentially what's happening is that the zinc dissolves in the lemon juice, leaving zinc ions, or Zn2 plus, in the juice, while the two electrons for each atom from the zinc are moving through the wire towards the copper. So this reaction is an oxidation reaction where we go from zinc yielding two zinc, the zinc ion and two electrons. And furthermore, citric acid is a weak acid, but it does partially dissociate and leave some positively charged hydrogen ions in the lemon juice. So while the copper electrode does not dissolve, the excess electrons at the copper electrode will combine with the hydrogen ions from the citric acid and form hydrogen gas at the copper electrode. And this is a reduction reaction. So we have two hydrogen ions combining with two electrons from the oxidation reaction to get hydrogen gas. So ultimately, this is a redox reaction.